Hey, what's going on, everybody? I decided to come on and make a review about my Pop On Veneers. You know, I was very worried because I have this tooth here and I thought it would be hard for me to work with the veneers. So here's my teeth without the veneers, you know, gapping, little spacing. And I also have this tooth, which I thought would be really hard to get veneers for. So they give you a cool case like this. Just open up the case. Like that, kind of makes a popping sound too, you know. So, has a cool mirror inside as well. And voila, here's your veneers. All right, I only got the top for now. So pick them up, use two hands, put them in. It kind of snaps in, you'll hear snap, sometimes you don't. But they're in. See? I was very excited because it worked with my tooth that I had here. They actually made it, and I'm excited to have them. And I'm going to order the bottom arch soon. So they're pretty cool. So get your Pop On Veneers.